this. So I purchased, watched some videos, purchased a relaxer kit, and also a few additional products that I didn't have. I purchased those as well to help with the relaxer process. So I will be using the ORS olive oil full application no lie relaxer. This is the relaxer that I will be using. This is the relaxer that I will be using. Hopefully, I'm praying to God it works, because my hair can't spoil for tomorrow. It can't spoil. Because even though I don't really have anything set in stone to be done for tomorrow, my hair in order. My hair has to be in order. So I have this, and I usually base my scalp with this Zimmy Scalp Shield, even when I was going to the salon to get my relaxer done. I usually base my scalp with this, but I think I will also be adding this to the edges of my hair, the edge and around the back my hair. So I have this for prepping my hair for the relaxer. Then I bought this little bottle of Vaseline. I purchased this small one because I know I won't be using Vaseline like that, so it makes no sense. I purchased the big tub and I know I won't be using it, so I purchased this small one. So I will be using this to oil the perimeter of my hair and my ears, places that the relaxer will get on. So I'll be using those areas with them, and that's not about it. I will also be adding the Vaseline to the ends of my hair, so where the new growth stops. So with the new growth stops, I will be adding the Vaseline to the entirety of the hair, and I will also be placing the ends of my hair with this porosity control conditioner. This product, I saw Hairlicious use this product in all her relaxer videos, so I thought I'd pick this up, and I'll be using some of her techniques in this relaxer day. This relaxer day touch up. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know how this will work out, but this is what my hair is looking like right now. It feels thick. It feels very thick. I don't want to over process my hair. Oh, and by the way, this is the normal strength. This is the normal strength. I don't think I need to get the extra strength. My hair is not that thick. So I only got one box of this. Hopefully the one box will work. But yeah, I only got one box of that. So the products that I showed you before, those are the products that I will be using to prep my hair for the relaxer, and then I jumped into the relaxer. Yeah, I also have my gloves here as well. Always wear your gloves, and my warm section of my hair. But I think due to the fact that this is the first time I will be doing this on my own, I'm going to pre-part my hair into about 4, and then I pre-part those sections. So when I'm applying the relaxer, it won't be as difficult to get to the areas that I need to apply the relaxer. I also have some additional products here. As the video progresses, you'll see I'll introduce them to you, but I'm going to kickstart the relaxer day. So as I mentioned before, I'll be adding the porosity control to the ends of my hair. This is to protect my hair from relaxer runoff, because I don't want my hair to be over processed. So I usually base the ends of my hair with Vaseline and also with the porosity control conditioner. So this technique that I'm using, this is a technique that Hairlicious has been using for quite some time. I'm testing it out to see if this process will work for me, or this will make it easier for me to apply the relaxer to my hair. So what I'm doing here is just sectioning off my hair into smaller parts so that I will be able to get to the areas
easily as I'm doing this all on my own.
Alright, so like I said before, guys, I will be attempting this relaxer at home relaxer process. This is what my hair is looking like, all pre-part and everything. I think this is going to allow it to go a little faster. Yeah, it's going to go a little faster than normal. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in this kit. Yeah, so this is the kit that I will be using today. So in the kit I got the base. So I got the base. Then I got this replenishing conditioner, and I think I will be mixing this conditioner with this deep treatment. Yeah, I'm going to use both of them for my deep conditioning process. And look, this I have this in the big bottle, but seeing as it came in the kit, I will be using it. So I'm going to mix this one and that. I also got this shampoo. Yeah, I also got the shampoo. I do have a neutralizing shampoo, which is the Motions Active. The Motions Neutralizing Shampoo. I have this to use. So this is the shampoo that I will be using right after I'm rinsing out the relaxer. So I'm going to use the 5-5-10 rule, and that is from Hairlicious Hair Care Routine. She's the queen of relaxed hair, and I noticed she has changed a few products in her relaxer day lineup, and I picked a few from it, and I will be using that in my routine today. So I got this, so I'll be using this neutralizing shampoo. And then I think after I use the shampoo, then I will go in and use this, because this is a moisture restore. So yeah, I might leave it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. I'm not sure, but I think it is best if I use all the products from the one line. But let's see. Yeah, let's see. I also got this hair lotion and this exotic oil boost. Yeah, I also got this as well, and an applicator stick. I also got this manual. Yeah, I also got this manual. So I will be reading the manual now to see what I should do for each step. And then, because like I said, I'm pretty nervous as to how my hair. Yeah, I'm pretty nervous as to how my hair will come out, because this is my first time attempting to relax my hair at home. But yeah, I'm going to read the instructions and then I come back to you guys.
So now that that's out of the way, I'm just here mixing the base. Adding the exotic oil boost to the base as well, because that's what the instruction said. I'm ensuring that it is mixed properly before I actually put this in my hair, because now is not the time for me to spoil up my hair, as I had somewhere to go the day after. It's the day after, yeah, I had somewhere to go on the day after that, so I had to get everything right. So I'm just here mixing, just to ensure that I'm mixing everything properly and that I have one cohesive thing to put in my hair. So yeah, so while I was here mixing, I was actually reading the entire instructions, so that I don't skip anything, I don't miss anything, just to ensure that my hair is relaxed properly, because I had to do this because my hairstylist was fully booked and I could not get anybody else to relax my hair for me. So I made the decision to purchase the products myself and attempt to relax my hair myself. So yeah, let's see how this one will work out. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, the technique that I will be using, I got it from Hairlicious. If you don't know who Hairlicious is, you can go ahead and Google her. She's the one of the first relaxed hair content creator on here. Her hair is superb, it's perfect, very healthy and everything. So this has been the technique she has been using for years, and seeing as I am attempting to do this for the very first time on my own, I thought I'd just test out this technique to see if it will work for me. Here it seemed as though it was working for me, but it was a bit hectic, as sometimes the hair would be dropping down. And as you can see here, I stopped using the brush and I used my hands for the back because it never worked out with the brush, so I had to put down the brush and start using my hand, so at least I can make sure that all the areas in the back is fully saturated with the cream or the relaxer, so it will be processed properly. So yeah, I had to resort to that. But like the front portion, the front portion, I could actually use the brush because I was able to see the hair in the mirror. So it was a bit hectic. I'm not sure if I will be using this technique for my next relaxer touch up. I'm not sure about that. I think I will just go with sectioning my hair in 4 and just going through and adding the relaxer. So yeah. So my camera battery died. I'm charging it right now. So currently I'm in the process of doing my 5-5-10 step to my relaxer. So I have the neutralizing shampoo on. I'm going to leave that on for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it, rinse that, do it again for another 5 minutes, then another 10 minutes, and then I jump into treatment of my hair. I will be using this treatment. I will be using this treatment, so hopefully that will work, and then I go into my deep conditioning step. So my timer is going for 5 minutes. Going to rinse this out, do it again for another 5 minutes, and then I not go under the dryer. I'm going to add my hair treatment, and this is the one that I'll be using. The number 3, I wanted to use the Olaplex number 3, but that would not come in time to get my relaxer done, so I have to resort to this. And this product is the Plex Breakage Defense Bond Mender. I noticed that here she usually use like a bond mender right after shampooing or neutralizing on her relaxer day. So that's what I'm attempting to do now, and let's see how best that will work out. Okay, so now for the moment of truth. I wrapped my hair and everything, tied it down, and now the takedown. Look at that. I think I did pretty good with this relaxer. I think I did pretty good. I love the results. Look at that sheen on my hair as well. I'm pretty pleased. I'm pretty pleased. I love the results of this relaxer touch up, and I think this is something I will be able to do on my own from here on out, so you guys can look out for more relax at home relaxer videos from me. I love it. If you've gotten this far in the video, please remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and also please remember to follow me on TikTok at Shara's World. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. Please let me know in the comment section what you think of my relaxer day results, my at home relaxer day results. Please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.